Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying eligibility and choosing Fi plan. This saves time later. Sign in with your Google account, enter a US billing address, and upload ID if required. Once done, select Flexible, Simply, or Unlimited so you know taxes and hotspot behavior. Next, order a physical SIM or enable eSIM on a compatible phone. Make sure your device is unlocked and carrier compatible. After ordering, track delivery or prompt eSIM activation to move to the next phase. With SIM installed or eSIM accepted, restart the phone to let the system recognize the new profile. Open the Google Fi app and follow activation prompts. Grant permissions for calls, texts, and contacts so everything syncs. If you're porting a number, enter your current account info and confirm the transfer window and any fees. Once confirmed, schedule porting. If not porting, pick a new number and verify voicemail setup. Make sure cellular data and Wi-Fi calling settings match your preferences before testing. Complete the setup by testing calls, SMS, and mobile data. Use Wi-Fi calling indoors to check handoffs. Next, open the Fi app to add a payment method, enable auto-pay to avoid interruptions, and invite family lines if required. Once services are verified, configure voicemail greeting and notification preferences. If something fails, first toggle airplane mode, reboot and reseat the SIM. If still broken, rerun activation or contact Fi support with your IMEI and account details to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.